If we hurry, we'll be able to catch it.
Yeah, and also, how can a caboose drive?
I don't know. That is a good question. Why is a caboose driving the train?
Actually, the lights are not on.
Look, see? Look, the caboose is over there.
Yeah, the train lights are not on. Now we're gonna go. Maybe. I didn't know we were gonna see.
You know what? I know where it's gonna be, so we're gonna catch this train. Do you?
Yeah. Why did you record the train?
I did. Did you like that?
Yeah. I saw his engine and I tried to put it in here. Let me get a real.
Okay, we gotta stay behind here, okay?
Let me get a record. Look how this happened.
Right here, though.
I got pictures of him.
Isn't that silly? There's a truck on the track. He's gonna make sure he doesn't see. He's not a train. He can't make the bells ring.